Hello everyone. Today I'm excited to introduce the highly anticipated RIGOL DHO MHO5000 series digital oscilloscopes. Without further ado, let's unbox them. The new RIGOL oscilloscopes are available in two distinct series, the DHO5000 and MHO5000. The DHO5000 series supports up to 8 analog channels and 1 external trigger channel. 4 channel models of the DHO5000 series offer maximum sample rate across all channels. The MHO5000 series supports up to 6 analog channels, 1 external trigger channel, and 16 digital channels. Notably, the MHO series comes standard with built-in logic analyzer functionality, featuring 16 digital channels, D0 through D15. These can be used via RIGOL's PLA3204 active logic probe for even greater versatility. In addition, both the DHO and MHO5000 series inherit RIGOL's user-friendly design, including a 10.1-inch 1280 by 800 high-definition touchscreen display, a new flex knob, and optical encoders as standard, offering users an enhanced experience. Looking at the back panel, all DHO MHO5000 models come equipped with USB device, USB host, LAN, and HDMI interfaces. There's also a battery pack interface for portable operation and VESA 100 by 100 mounting holes compatible with standard brackets. The DHO MHO5000 series is powered by RIGOL's self-developed Centaurus technology platform, offering a waveform capture rate of up to 1 million waveforms per second, 500 megapoints memory depth, 12-bit vertical resolution, an exceedingly low noise floor, and exceptional vertical measurement accuracy to meet the demands of higher precision test applications. Let's explore a selection of these new scopes' features and functionality. Firstly, the MHO5054 and MHO5104 models feature an optional integrated 50 MHz arbitrary waveform generator. This allows output of waveforms up to 50 MHz, such as sine, square, sawtooth, DC signals, or customary arbitrary waveforms. It supports amplitude adjustments up to 10 volts peak to peak and 3 modulation modes, AM, FM, and PM. By combining an arbitrary waveform generator and an oscilloscope into one device, these MHO5000 models offer unparalleled convenience for engineers who require both tools simultaneously. Bode plots are essential for analyzing system frequency responses, especially in areas like switching power supplies and operational amplifier feedback networks. Loop analysis helps measure gain and phase changes across frequencies, providing crucial insights into system stability. With the MHO5054 and MHO5104, the built-in signal generation module produces signals within a specified frequency range, injecting them into the circuit under test. The oscilloscope measures phase shifts and gain changes between input and output signals at varying frequencies, generating a Bode plot. While we're on the topic of power, the MHO5000 series also features advanced power analysis capabilities, allowing you to evaluate the efficiency and reliability of switching power supplies quickly and easily. With this feature, you can analyze power quality at the input, along with output ripple and noise. Specific power quality parameters include reference frequency, RMS voltage and current, active power, apparent power, reactive power, power factor, phase angle, impedance, crest factors, and more. Ripple analysis provides metrics such as current value, average, minimum, maximum, standard deviation, and event counts. For embedded development applications, protocol decoding is an invaluable tool. The MHO and DHO5000 series provide 4 bus decoding modules to decode common protocols on analog channel inputs. Supported protocols include RS-232 UART, I2C, SPI, and CAN, with optional support for LIN, CAN-FD, FlexRay, I2S, and MIL Standard 1553. Decoded data can be displayed in various formats and presented in detailed timing tables, including decoded info and results. Engineers can easily identify errors, debug hardware, and accelerate development timelines, ensuring fast and reliable results. The DHO MHO5000 series digital oscilloscopes excel in multiple applications, including embedded design, power semiconductor testing, and power rail analysis. With a variety of models to choose from, they cater to diverse design, debugging, and testing needs, all at very attractive prices. Intrigued?